This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
The actual very scary questions. I think I don't know if you have faced those situations. We have some time it happened actually. So some of the deployment we did on the production, very important features, and the whole system the actually broke down. So if did you have faced any of the issues? You deployed everything there.
It happens.
Okay, go ahead. So it break down the whole things. What have you done? Did you just run away, or you have done something?
Oh no, definitely. There's no way of running out. So what we do, we basically just roll back immediately. So we don't even try to see what's happening. Mostly we just look at the logs and see if it's the database connection or if it's the like some connectivity issues or something that we can fix within 30 minutes or so. If we don't if we can't understand what's happening, the first thing is roll back immediately and then go to the staging server, try to do the deployment there and see if we can actually regenerate the issue. Okay, if we can regenerate the issue, then we definitely work on it, and then we go to the production with a different maintenance window, and then we can just go ahead with the deployment. So typically in our company, since this is a B2B company, we always have a specific maintenance window where we can do our deployments. Okay, so in those maintenance hours, if the system goes down, we basically don't have any issue. But if we are not able to fix that issue within that maintenance window, we have a bad news. So we basically roll back the system and then we try again on the next maintenance window. And in the meantime, we analyze the issue, we get all the logs from the system, we try to regenerate the issue on the staging, and then eventually we get it fixed. Maybe sometimes it's the container issue, sometimes it's the network issue, sometimes it's the DNS, sometimes it's our own dependencies that works on our machine but not on the client's machine or the client server. Sometimes it happens. So we just need to fix it, and then we push the update on the next deployment window.
That makes sense. Thank you. So at least you know how to deal with this, because this happens pretty often. At least I saw that in most of the team 1 or 2 times every month. But I think you guys have the good strategy since you guys have been doing the B2B. So